To remove saved login info on Instagram. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Instagram application on your device and make sure that you're logged into your account on Instagram. Then go to your profile at the bottom right corner of the screen. And as you do that, it will lead you to the profile. Then tap on the hamburger icon at the top right corner of the screen over here, and then all you have to do is tap on account center, which is available at the very first. So tap on the password and security as you scroll down, and then here you'll be able to see the option of saved login. So tap on saved login, and as you do that, select the profile where you want to remove the saved login info for. So I'm going to select my own profile, and then here you can see the saved login option has been toggled on. So just tap and toggle off this option. So as you do this, you'll need to enter your username and password the next time you want to log in. So tap on remove, and there you go. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.